Guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I'm going to unboxing these two tools for the Mini 4-Wheel Drive tools from the 324 brand. Okay, and here we have one is the we call shaft repair kit, and the other one, this one is the wheel puller. So the wheel puller. So we're gonna open it and also we're gonna test it and see how it works. All right, check it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to using this the wheel puller. Okay, so this wheel puller is if you have this kind of setup for your wheels, like you drill the hole by using the wheel driller. Okay, then you drill the hole in the center and you put the hole through it, and so this kind of a setup can make your wheel is not that easily to come off. So but the only problem is when you want to take it off, if you're using the just by using hand something and pull it like that, then your shaft, it's very high possibility will get bent. So that's why this kind of wheel puller got create. So here I'm gonna show you how to using this. So as you can see, the center, there is a shaft at the center, right? So we just put the wheels inside, okay, and make sure it's pushing the center, okay. Then we just twist it and it's gonna slowly and slowly, okay. So then you will just push the shaft out. Okay, here you go. So you just take this one out, pull it back. So this way you can make sure your wheel will not get damaged, and also your shaft will not get damaged as well. Okay, all right, so this is for the wheel puller. Okay, so then let's go for the next, the shaft repair kit. Okay, check it out. Okay, so here we're gonna try this shaft repair kit, but before we try it, it comes with another spacers. So you can see there inside there's two spacers inside. So, and this one has a numbers on it, if you can see here, 1.76. So I believe this one should be the thinner than this one, because you can see I can put this one in and this can slide no problem. So which means there's enough room for this spacer. So which means this one should be the thinner spacer than that one. So but unfortunately I don't have a tools to open those two. So here we're just gonna try using this and do some tests and see if this shaft repair kit does works. Okay, so here I have this is the 1.99 shaft checker, and here I have the regular shaft, and here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this shaft in and see if this one can go through it. Okay, no, you cannot go through it. Okay, so we're gonna using this shaft and to check on this shaft repair kit and see how it works. Okay, so for here I will just speed up the video a little bit, and you don't need to wait for that long. Okay, Okay, so here we can see uh, it looks like it does the job. Okay, so it's good to know, and it really does the job. Okay, so well, okay, so that is the shaft repair kit and the wheel puller. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, and if you have any questions, please leave your question at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.